Insurance General Knowledge Part 2. Insurance General Awareness. We have 4 parts with 200 important questions. Please watch all the parts. These are very important general knowledge questions and answers. Please learn for competitive exams. Please subscribe. In which year was life insurance sector nationalized? (1956). In which year was Triton Insurance Company Limited established? (1850). In which year was general insurance sector nationalized? (1973). What is the headquarters of IRDAI situated? Hyderabad. Which type of companies or organizations can issue ULIP? Insurance companies. With which company did the State Bank of India enter into a joint venture agreement for undertaking general insurance business? Insurance Australia Group. What is the full form of IFRS? International Financial Reporting Standards. What does the term FSDC, used in financial sectors, stand for? Financial Stability and Development Council. AXA Insurance Company is headquartered in which place? Paris. When was the Indian Mercantile Insurance established? (1907). When did insurance begin in Babylon? (1750 BC). Sir Utha ke Jio is the tagline of which company? HDFC Life Insurance. When was the General Insurance Council formed? (1957). When was the Export Credit Guarantee Corporation of India established? 1957. In pursuance of which act was the General Insurance Corporation of India formed? General Insurance Business Nationalization Act, 1972. Leadership and Beyond is the tagline of which insurance company? New India Assurance. What is a person who investigates claims and recommends settlement options based on estimates of damage and insurance policies held, called claim adjuster? What is the coverage for bodily injury and property damage incurred through ownership or operation of a vehicle, called automobile liability insurance? What is the form of liability insurance providing coverage for negligent acts and omissions such as workers' compensation, errors and omissions, and various malpractice coverages, known as casualty insurance? What is the amount which is payable by you during the premium paying term at regular intervals for a limited period, as specified in the plan schedule, called limited premium? What is the type of reinsurance in which the reinsurer can accept or reject any risk presented by the insurance company seeking reinsurance? Facultative insurance. What is the amount you pay to the insurance company to buy a policy, known as premium? If one stops paying premium but do not withdraw the money from the policy, then the policy is referred to as paid up value. To use life insurance policy benefits as collateral for a loan is called collateral assignment. In insurance, the splitting or spreading of risk among multiple parties is called coinsurance. The age at which the receipt of pension starts in an insurance pension plan is known as vesting age. The ratio of losses incurred to premiums earned actually experienced in a given line of insurance activity in a previous time frame is called actual loss ratio. The percentage of each premium a property insurer spends on claims and expenses is called combined ratio. Once an insurance company has paid up to the limit and it will pay no more during that year is known as aggregate limits. A property or liability insurance contract in which all risk of loss are covered is called all risk agreement. A contract, such as an insurance contract, requiring that certain acts be performed if recovery is to be made, is known as conditional contract. What is the document given to an applicant for life insurance stating that the company's acceptance is contingent upon determination of the applicant's insurability is known as Conditional receipt. What is the policy that can be cancelled or have the premiums raised by the insurer on a specific anniversary date, subject to certain reasons written into the policy, known as conditional renewable. Coverage of losses incurred as a result of the failure of an insured object on the insured's premises is referred as consequential damage endorsement. A person named in a life insurance contract to receive the benefits of the policy if other named beneficiaries are not living is known as contingent beneficiary. A term policy that can be converted to permanent coverage rather than expiring on a specific date is called convertible. Commercial coverage against losses resulting from the failure of business debtors to pay their obligation to the insured, usually due to insolvency, is termed as credit insurance. The consequential property insurance that covers the extra expense incurred by the interruption of business is called extra expense insurance. In a life insurance contract, the stated sum of money to be paid to the beneficiary upon the insured's death is termed as face amount. A coverage that protects businesses engaged in electronic commerce from losses caused by hackers is termed as hacker insurance. A seller's market in which insurance is expensive and in short supply is termed as alternative market. An environment where insurance is plentiful and sold at lower cost, also known as the buyer's market, is called soft market. Coverage against loss through stealing by individuals not in a position of trust is called theft insurance. Insurance that indemnifies the owner of real estate in the event that his or her clear ownership of property is challenged by the discovery of faults in the title is called title insurance. Term insurance that covers a specific period of time and which cannot be renewed is called straight term. The legal process by which an insurance company, after paying a loss, seeks to recover the amount of the loss from another party, which is legally liable for it, is termed as subrogation. A whole life policy in which premiums are payable as long as the insured lives is called straight life. A life annuity in which there is no refund to any beneficiary at the death of the annuitant is termed as straight life annuity. A type of reinsurance in which the reinsurer indemnifies the ceding company for losses that exceed a specific limit is called excess of loss reinsurance. In this channel, you'll find many other videos on general knowledge. Please watch those for preparation of competitive exams.